Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start in Settings, go straight to Accessibility. Once there, tap Display and Text Size and open Color Filters. You see a toggle and a list of filters. You must check the toggle state. If it's on, you're actively applying a filter. If it's off, the issue lies elsewhere. Make sure to note which filter is selected. This tells you why colors look shifted. You're doing this now to remove the active color adjustment that's altering all apps. Once done turning the color filters toggle off, confirm the screen returns to normal. The change is immediate. Next, make sure it won't come back by checking Accessibility Shortcut. Go back to Accessibility, scroll to Accessibility Shortcut, and look for color filters. If it's selected, uncheck it so triple-clicking the side or home button won't re-enable the filter. This prevents accidental activation. When unchecked, color filters stays off, unless you deliberately enable it again. Finish by restarting your iPhone to clear any lingering display state. Power it off, then on. If the color filter still appears after restart and shortcut removal, the only remaining non-hardware fix is reset all settings. Go to Settings, right arrow General, right arrow Transfer, or Reset iPhone, right arrow reset all settings. Make sure you back up first. This keeps your data but restores preferences to defaults, which removes stubborn accessibility settings. If that fails,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.